Srista's vegetable shop. Fresh vegetables are available here. Hello, do you have radish? Yes, ma'am. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radishes cleanses blood, removing toxins and waste. Radishes are rich in fiber as well. Radishes boost weight loss. They are good for liver and the gallbladder. Radish also help to uphold healthy moisture levels in the skin. They also help to reduce kidney problems. Radishes are rich in minerals like calcium and potassium. Give me 2, please. Okay. Buy brinjal also, ma'am. It's very good. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal is rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating brinjal regularly has been shown to lower bad cholesterol. It is a low-calorie vegetable which is a good source of dietary fiber. It helps to keep the blood sugar levels under control. It is rich in folic acid. Okay, give me 3 brinjals, please. How much does it cost in total? 20 rupees, ma'am. Okay, here you go. Welcome, ma'am. All vegetables are fresh. Would you like beetroots, ma'am? Okay, let me look at it. Beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroots are also called blood turnips. Beetroots contain vitamin K and calcium. Beetroots are also rich in fiber. It can improve skin health as well. They are rich in folic acid. The nitrates in beets lower blood pressure. They may reduce the risk of heart disease and strokes. Beetroot can also protect the liver from oxidative damage. They help fight inflammation. They control blood sugar levels. Look at these beautiful beetroots. Wow, that's fresh. Can I please have 4 of them? Wow, how much does these potatoes cost? 5 rupees, ma'am. It's very good for your health. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potatoes are a good source for fiber. Potatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals which makes us very healthy. Potatoes are a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants can prevent certain types of chronic disease such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Potatoes are a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch has been associated with a number of health benefits, especially in terms of blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. I need 250 grams of these potatoes, please. Carrots are looking fresh as well.
Carrots are healthy.
Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and antioxidants which protect the skin from sun damage. Carrots help to slow down the aging of cells. The regular consumption of carrots also reduces cholesterol levels. The minerals in carrots prevent tooth damage. Carrots reduce the risk of cancer. Regular intake of carrots help to improve eye vision. Okay, can I please have 2? How much are they all together?
20 rupees, ma'am.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, ma'am.